Alright, last tutorial. Yay. Okay, so we're going to go to the top here. This is going to be how to do a few things. One, to, oh, close that. Serious class. Um, this is going to be to add the features or new arrivals or any of these categories, which is just like one of these style categories. A category is a category. Doesn't matter if it's by style, by brand. That's how we use the category. But the important thing to remember is that they're all just categories. So Virtumart Home, category tree, and then I have my categories. You see, I created one new arrivals, okay? Because for this instance of the category, I don't want it to display here. I'm assuming that you don't want, because a new arrivals isn't a style. I mean, you could put it there, but probably not. So what I did was I buried it under another category that's not published. So it doesn't matter what it is. You can just put it under any or create a, let's say, new category. I'm going to put unpub there. And I'm going to leave this as the default top level. And I'm going to check no, it's not published because I don't want it to show up. So now I have unpublished, right? For some reason there's two. Interesting. Let's delete one of them. We only need one. Regardless. Okay, so here's my unpublished category. So what I'm going to do is, okay, you can see here that it's not visible on this menu. Okay, there's no unpublished there because it's not published. So I'm going to go back to my categories, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my new arrivals, and this one is published, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to display it under unpublished. Okay, but this one is published. See how tricky? So once again, let's check the front of the website, make sure that it's there. Okay. Nope, we're fine. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and create the menu item for that. So new arrivals is category ID 41, ID 41. So I'm going to go back to my menu, main menu, and we go to new arrivals. I'm going to click on that one. So this is the menu. I'm going to change the type. I'm going to go down to Virtumart, and then now it changed the menu type. Okay, I'm going to go over to parameters component, and the category ID is 41, right? Wasn't it 41? I should have probably left that open. You're right. Oh, I was right. So 41, category ID 41. Let's save that. And then let's go back to Virtumart. So I'm going to go back down to Virtumart, and I'm going to go to list products. So now we need to put a product in our category. Well, I already did that. So I chose Abigail Beige because I just like that style. Not really, but I do. And I put it under new arrivals. So you can check as many of these as you want, right? You're not limited to one. So let's say if it's a sandal and it's a new arrival and I don't know, it's a bestseller, you can put it in under all those categories. So just create more categories. So if it's also a children's shoe, so it's a new arrival, a sandal, and a children's shoe, no problem. Create all of those, and then file it under all of those categories, and it will appear in all of those. So now we should have all of that shoe. Let's refresh the page, and hopefully it'll work. There we go. Look at that. So it's under new arrivals, but then let's see, it was also a sandal, right? So let's go take a look. Oh, you can see right there which category this is. So I don't even remember which one it was. This one. All right. So you can see that's under multiple categories, and that's pretty much it. And I have a note on here to how to delete a product. I don't want to delete one, obviously. After you guys work so hard, basically click here, and then you're going to hit remove. Or if you want to, you can just go here and hit remove, and that's how you delete a product. You can also, if you're not sure if you're going to really delete it, is just unpublish it. Or if it's just out of stock for a little bit, just unpublish it, and then when you're ready, see, and then let's go back. See, it's right there. Hit F5. Well, I'm logged in, so, but either way, you can see that's unpublished. If I wasn't an administrator on the site, they wouldn't be able to see it. But for me, since I'm an administrator, I can see that it's just unpublished. And then we go back, and that easy, we click on again, and now it's published. So now we'll go back, see unpublished, and published. So then they would be able to see that again. So this goes under the same if you want to create then another men's and women's category. So I'm going to do that again just to make it easy. List categories. So we already have a men's shoes category. Then we're going to have let's just make a sale. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to leave it published, so I'm going to put sale. And then I'm going to, instead of default top level, I'm going to put under unpublished. Okay, because it's not a style. And I'm going to hit save. And now we have another for sale. So, that easy.